All right. So about the time of my PRS career where I decided I wanted a tripod because I wanted to try practice some rear tripod or tripod rear at home and, getting with all the cool kids, right? But look at all the tripods around, the really right stuff, and the Tuvets and all the common ones, $600, $1,000 just for the legs, just out of my price range. I'm usually not one to go with what everyone else has, even though I've got a CZ-457 sitting there. That just made sense. But, just because everyone else has it doesn't mean that's what I'm going to be the thing I'm going to get. So I looked around. What I wanted was a carbon fiber tripod. I wanted inverted legs. I wanted thick, stiff legs. And I wanted a decent price point. Something that was something easy to deploy, manipulate. And I shopped around. Like I said, all the common ones were like $600, $1,000 just for the legs. I was like, that's kind of nuts. So I first started off with the Mambly WZ-2836. I did not get a video of that. That was a tripod and ball head set for $359 on Amazon. And I sent it right back. The legs, it wasn't an inverted tripod, but the legs were kind of thin. They weren't very smooth to deploy, and it just didn't feel right. So that went back. And this was my second pick, and so far I really like it. It's the Fanaue HTC-4030CK, and the legs alone were $280 on Amazon when I got it. So 4.9 pounds without the ball head, 1.41 inch diameter legs, built-in steel spikes, which was kind of cool. Don't mind my daughter's stickers on there. 40-pound capacity, 3-section legs, which was important to me. The 2-section leg models, they just sat too high, and I wanted to be able to kneel behind it, both for glassing and for shooting. And I like this one because it has a push-button leg adjustment, which is really quick. The adjustments on there are smooth and fast. All in all, it's just really easy to manipulate. And I thought I'd get a really good deal. I have not actually deployed it yet. Tomorrow will be the first time I take it to a match, and we'll see how she works. But for $280, just the legs, I think it's great. I'll put in the next video what the ball heads that I decided to put on there. Actually have two, and I'll show you which ones they are. Pros and cons of both. It was a real tough choice. Let you decide which one is best for you, but that'll be the next video. But again, compared to the $600 Tuvets or the $1,000 Really Right Stuff or all the other ones, I think the Fanaue HTC-4030CK was a pretty good deal so far, at least for now. All in. It's how long is this? Oh, folded up 30.5 inches. Deployed out 28.5 inches tall to the platform here. Totally exploded up 68 inches tall. And deploys really fast. So, yeah, I'd say give it a shot.